Alright, what is up, guys? I think this is day 3 of the series, 500, 100,000. We didn't take a trade today. Jerome Powell was speaking, 12:55. Market opens 8:30. We were looking for a trade, but nothing really hit. It kind of hit. This is QQQ. Went ahead and marked out both of them. We had some hourly and 4-hour highs around here, highs and lows. We ended up opening right here. Had a fair value gap. I think this was an hourly fair value gap, I believe, for the down. We had some entries, I guess, on SPY. Let's see, I haven't really looked at it much. But SPY was kind of shit. It came into the morning. I think pretty sure there was highs around here. I must have accidentally deleted the thing. I think there was hourly highs somewhere around here, I believe. I could be wrong about that. I'm pretty sure it got swept in, came out. This ended up being a 1-minute fair value gap that we could have entered off of, and we could have probably made some money on the down. It wouldn't have been much money, so really there wasn't much entry. No point for entry in a sense. We could have made a little bit of money on the down, but I usually don't trade off of like that. I usually like to do the liquidity sweep, the 1 hour, 4 hour liquidity sweep, and then go into the 5-minute fair value gaps. 1-minute fair value gaps, going straight into them is a little bit iffy. But yeah, so I didn't really like SPY. Then I wasn't really looking for a SPY at all. But QQQ, I was definitely looking for a trade today. Sadly, did not end up giving me an entry, but it was looking a lot better than SPY was. So we came into the day. We broke an hourly high right here. Had a little bit of a downtrend coming out of it. Had a little retracement. We did have equilibrium. We didn't end up hitting it. Generally, I play off of fair value gaps a lot more than equilibrium. So I was kind of sticking my fair value gap. I didn't really want to play with the equilibrium. I like to look at it to gauge, is it in a discount or not? But usually I don't take a trade, take an entry off of equilibrium. So yeah, we had this fair value gap, this 5-minute one. We ended up coming in, we ended up hitting it, but I was kind of off the market around this. I usually get off around 9:30, 10. I ended up staying a little bit longer than I wanted to today because I was kind of hoping it would, from this point right here, I was kind of hoping it would come up, but it ended up not coming up. And I think I got off around this time right here, where it was very close to hitting it. But I ended up hitting it around like 30 minutes later. Luckily, I didn't take the trade because I would have probably been stopped out. Maybe not. Maybe I wouldn't have been stopped out. I've been very close to being stopped out. I probably would have placed my take profit, maybe my stop loss around here. So that probably would have been a good trade to take. Ended up coming down. You could have made profit. It would probably hit my first take profit. Would have probably been this one right here. This little tiny green fair value gap. Second take profit down here. Just had some retrace. I probably set once this got hit, probably would have set my stop loss more around here, and probably would have taken out on that candle right there. Would have made some money there. That could have been a good trade, but like I said, later in the day, I generally don't like trading there. It isn't really my time to trade. I usually trade between 9, 10 o'clock is when I usually like to enter in. But yeah, that was kind of what we had today. Jerome Powell was speaking. I don't really know. I didn't really watch what he was saying. I think he might. Is he still speaking? I wouldn't think so. Maybe he is. I guess it's only been an hour. Let's see. Is he still speaking? I'm interested. But yeah, if you look here, Jerome Powell around 12:55, he was speaking. Let's see. Generally, I don't like to fucking trade while he speaks, but are they live? Yeah. It doesn't seem. It seems like I might have missed it.
We do some of this at the Fed. Mostly this is not done at the Fed, but the collection of data and the information.
Yeah, I don't really know what all he was saying. I just don't really like to fuck with it around that time. He likes to move the market. It doesn't seem like it moved too badly today with him speaking. I guess it did. This was the big drop. So I probably wouldn't have taken this anyways because I probably would have gotten out on there. Wouldn't have made much money because I wouldn't have wanted to held in a 12:55. But look at that, man. Strategy still worked out. Ended up making. You would have made money. But outside of my trading time, outside of my trading day, not trying to do that. That's about it. That was a quick one today. We didn't really do much in the market. I think our account is still at. I think we're down right now in total. Yeah, we're at 469 right now. I think it's more like 468 something. But I'm feeling very confident, man. I ended up doing some back testing over the weekend. I feel very confident in my strategy. I don't know if you guys want to see this, but I ended up doing a little bit of back testing here. Um, yeah, we ended up making in 8 trades. We ended up making $500. The last trade was the big one. I ended up doing 2 contracts, which I usually don't do right now because generally I like to wait till I reach 800 and we'll do another contract. But yeah, man, it's looking pretty nice. Yeah. But all right then, guys. That's about it for today. I mean, the back test is looking good. I'm very confident in the strategy. I'm very confident that we're gonna get some. We're gonna reach the grand within a year. I'm hoping. End of summer, man. 100 grand. End of summer. That's the plan. But all right then, guys. Have a good one. Quick video. Don't forget, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want to do that as well. Let me know what you think about the strategy. Tell me what you traded today. See, tell me if you put any trade in today, what you did, and how you took it. But all right then, guys. Have a good one. Peace out.